Hi, my name is Aimee. I'm one of the aesthetic clinicians at SkinViva. I would like to introduce you to Jo. Jo came to see me because she's getting married and she wanted me to perform a VivaLift for her. So she told me what her main objectives were, and that was that she felt her upper eyelid skin was a bit heavy and was just pushing down a little bit on her eyelashes and making her feel, or giving her the feeling of being a bit tired all the time. And if you look at her side profile, you can see the hooding actually that she has on her upper eyelid, which sits very closely on top of her lashes, which is giving this sense of heaviness and feeling tired. She also said that her upper eyebrows were just a little bit flat and she wanted a bit more of a lift on her eyebrow, just to open the eye area and freshen her up a little bit. If you follow the eyebrow over the top of the arch and down to the tail of the eyebrow, this marks the front area of your temple. If we then continue that upwards along the forehead, and if we continue down to the bottom area of the temple, you can see it makes this kind of saucer shape around the side of the head. In Jo's case, she has lovely fullness and contour on the forehead, but then it goes in around the temple area and then back out onto this lovely full cheekbone. It almost gives an outline a bit like the shape of a peanut on the side of your head. So what I did was actually add some filler into the temple area just by a single injection within the temple. And what that does actually is fill this space up, making it more harmonious transition from the forehead over the temple and over towards the cheekbone. In order to complement this, I also added some filler directly into her eyebrow, giving her a more contoured, feminine outline of her eyebrow, which is really aesthetically beautiful. So if we look at Jo's after photos, we'll see that she has a much better outline. She's much more youthful looking on the side profile. You can see the contour now from her forehead over the temple and into her cheekbone is more uniform. Her eyebrows are more elegantly shaped and have a lovely, beautiful peak in them. And her upper eyelid skin is less hooded and has lifted upwards, which has actually opened the aperture of her eye, removed some of that heaviness off her upper eyelid. So now she looks more fresh, she looks more awake, she looks brighter, and she definitely looks more wedding ready.